You went straight through a red light, mate. No, you went through a red light back there.
I know, but the cars don't go.
You still can't jump a red light, mate. Don't matter whether you're on a bike, a car, whatever. You still broke the law.
You want with the bike before you do the same thing.
No, I can't.
You don't want, but you can.
No. Red lights means stop. Don't matter what you're driving, what you're riding.
Yeah, I know that.
You do not go through them on a cycle. You do not go through them on a bike. You do not go through them in a car.
I know that.
Next time you do that, somebody could hit you.
I know.
Use your mirrors next time, you twat. I'm assuming this car park in front is where I need to be, I want to be. I'll just wait here, shall I? While you cut this corner.
Fucking idiot! You for real? Yeah, you're on camera, mate. Surprised you got the bloody wheel up. See you on YouTube. Gotta smash it, kid. You twat. You're going all over the internet, pal.
Yeah, we do two of them all then, won't you?
Pennies dropped. Ooh, hey. Right in front of a copper as well. Jeez, that's dumb.
Entering average speed check zone.
Well, interesting.
Well done, Mr. Bus Driver. You just bloody pull out on me.
Yeah, that's not SBS services. And were you
Will
mentioning
you stop
about
for the
this
red
issue of marriage
light?
and rape within
Oh, it went
marriage?
green! Hooray!
Survivors of domestic violence and intimate partners. Integrated services, that's Nottinghamshire and Nottingham.
I think you've run that red light a little bit. Yeah, that's definitely red.
And that's 24-hour free.
Shit. Someone smashed it up. Fucking hell. Smashed it up. Fucking hell. Look at the door. Jeez.
Left.
Cool. School Citroen M. Sweet.
Okay, bus driver. That's good driving, isn't it? City transport.
Talked about reducing net migration to the tens of thousands. It was her favourite Prime Minister. Talked about reducing net migration to the tens of thousands. It was her favourite catchphrase until she started saying the UK will leave the European Union on March 29.
Blocking the road, trying to push in.
As a result of the desire to reduce net migration, some MPs are worried that the UK's share of the international student market is in damaging decline.
No one's overtaking you now.
Former University Minister George
Good job that bus that you in. Fantastic forward planning.
Great value to our universities and to students. They make viable courses at our institutions that would otherwise not be
cool.
and therefore not offered.
Nice Saab 900.
Choice for domestic UK students in a really important way.
Oh dear. Someone's lost a rear window.
Holiday.
That must be cold.
For this, and now it's your time.
Moments away from setting off for space. Major Tim Peake is going from Kazakhstan to the International Space Station. It's due to take off 3 minutes past 11. Major Peake is employed by the European Space Agency and is the first
Good job. Good job, I was looking. Good job, I was looking.
Trying to use a pavement and jump the queue.
You know, what else could I do? I didn't want it to go to waste.
Rather you than me.
Yeah, definitely. Rather me than you, definitely.
Rather than him.
Let's get a bit of weather Simon's here, morning.